Hello my friends, this is Hani Amri. I'm glad to see you here. Thank you for watching my videos. And if you are here for the first time, I should say I'm online entrepreneur working as affiliate since 2015. I've did many mistakes, I've struggled a lot, but I did it a successful business since the middle of 2017. I usually share my honest and actual experience with people who are planning or already started their online business to help you be away from making mistakes, or maybe to give you some of fresh ideas, to share some of my experience along my journey working online. So if you are inclined, or you feel the urgency to generate additional income and start working online, secure your life, your family life, so keep watching, and I will see you after this short intro. Welcome back my friends, and today I'm gonna speak about the big challenge of the too much offers, ideas in the markets nowadays. When you start your check or your research, you'll find hundreds or maybe thousands of people, these shiny objects, and a lot of promises, a lot of exaggeration. So you need to be careful and to take the right decision, so that you'll not struggle a lot. So, but the most important, my recommendation, I should say, that you pick up one offer, one idea, and start your implementation right now about it. My friend, don't procrastinate. Procrastination means poverty. Start your first steps, take action, and you will find yourself by the time feel comfortable, and there is a lot of ideas, there is a lot of motivation, and maybe there you'll come across many mistakes, which is normal. Don't be worried about that, because with committing or making mistakes, you will learn a lot. Because when you come across a problem or a trouble, or you did a mistake, that you will ask a question, asking for support, for help from the course or the training provider, or from a community, or from the YouTube, or anywhere. That means that your knowledge will be bigger day by day. So, but the important thing is to start the implementation. The experts in this industry, and also in the self-development industry, said, or they are saying, is just an idea is only 1% from the whole image, and the 99% is for taking action and implementation. I can share with you this story. I had it back 2014, when I was running my traditional business in the Middle East. So my company, my factory, it's a food processing factory, order new raw materials, some flavors, some recipes, some new flavors, I said, from my factory in the Netherlands. And it's usually for this big providers, they organize a training for team members from this factory, so that they understand, or they practice how to make these recipes, or how to use these new materials. So I was there on 2014 in the Netherlands with another business owners, managers, production managers, engineers from different companies in all over the world. We were, I remember, 42 person in this training. and they usually make the training in their labs in that big factory. And we did the experiment. They show us many recipes, many suggestions, many ideas, the quantity of the ingredients that you have to put in this mixture, things like this. And by the end, the day when I came back to my hotel, I emailed my team there in my factory, and I explained that we should use this new raw materials like this. This is the recommendation, the recipe that we already tried in this factory. And because we already, the next day we already start at 11 a.m. Our next training, the second day I mean, and there is also an hour difference between the Middle East and the Netherlands timing. So my team gave me the results for this new recipes and experiment, and they were happy. It worked very well. So when we started the training, I put my hand up. I said, I've tried what we have learned yesterday, and we did this recipe, and it worked very well. So I have to thank you. And this business owner of this big factory said, "Thank you, honey." And he asked the others, "How many of you did the same thing like Mr. Hani did?" And fortunately, it was like a good gesture for me, and no one did that. So I felt happy because I found yourself. I'm like, for example, unique. I've did something like good, and I took action. I implement what I have learned. And this is how it works. So you've learned something, and by your research, if you took an online course or training, or you read books, or you attend webinars, you already learned something. So go to implement, even for very small and simple steps. That will help you a lot, because you'll find that this business is real, this business is actual. Also, this business need to work. This business is not like get rich quick. This is business not push the button. It's actual work. So that how much effort you put, you will find your success quickly, and you will feel happy by the end. I hope you enjoyed these videos. Please subscribe, please comment, please give me a thumb up, and if you want more information, please feel free to email me, check my website, and I will see you very soon. Bye.